You're using Momenzo app with a profile picture and you want to go from this to this, then nothing is easier. You just have to remove the background from your picture. Now let's go back to the portal and we're going to load an asset without a background. In order to do that, we're going to use a tool which is free and very easy to use. Let's go on removal.ai, choose a picture. This is our portrait. And the website is going to process your picture and give it to you in a format without background. Let's go back on the portal, load up the asset. Let's find it in downloads. Then you're going to crop it. Perfect. Let's validate. And your outro is ready now. Let's go to the in video. We do it once again. Great, let's validate. And now click on finish. You can head back to your mobile app. Your design is now ready.